We're making mini minestrone. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making mini minestrone. So hop on board and let's get cooking. In a large soup pot, we're going to add 1/4 cup low sodium vegetable oil on medium-high heat. Once hot, we're going to add 1 cup of diced onions. I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. Add a little water if it starts to stick. Once the onions are ready, we're going to add 1 cup of diced carrots, 1 cup of diced celery, 2 tablespoons dried mushroom powder, 1 tablespoon rag seasoning, 1 1/2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon each of salt, spike, dried marjoram or oregano, and dried thyme, and 1/4 teaspoon allspice. Stir until well combined. Add some freshly ground black pepper. Cover with a lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then add 1 cup of diced tomato and 1 cup of chopped green beans, 1/3 cup cooked kidney beans, 1/3 cup cooked pinto beans, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, and 1 tablespoon of minced rosemary. Add 1 bay leaf and stir until well combined. Then add a little water if needed. Add 4 1/2 cups of low sodium vegetable broth and 2 cups of water. Increase heat and bring to a boil, then cover and let simmer for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Add in 1/2 cup whole wheat pasta, 1/2 cup of corn kernels, and 1/3 cup of lima beans. Want the pasta to be al dente. We add 1 tablespoon each of minced basil, minced sage. We have 2 tablespoons of parsley divided in half, of which half we put in immediately and half is retained for garnish. And we stir, turn off the heat, and let sit for 5 minutes before serving. So, if you liked what we cooked today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.